Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video basically I'm going to be talking about my concerns about the Pixel 4 and exactly what's happening with this. So we have seen leaks after leaks of the Pixel 4. As a matter of fact, Google has not shied away from what the Pixel 4 is going to look like ever since they confirmed that the leaked images is pretty much what we're going to get with the Pixel 4. So the Pixel 3a here in front of me is actually going to be the last of this design language. And it's kind of sad because Google had a great thing going when they were pitching that you didn't need more than one camera to take pretty good photos. And they really backed that up with a single camera on the back. And so for this design language, it's going away. This is the last that we'll see of it with the Pixel. Fingerprint sensor on the back, one camera on the back, one camera on the front. It is going away, in favor of them having multiple cameras on the back and no biometric reading, as they are opting for a similar Face ID type security. So it's kind of sad to see that Google, rather than wanting to stand out from the rest, has conformed to the robotics of the rest with going after what Apple has already done with the iPhone X and Face ID. And so you can see schematics of why the Google Pixel 4 is going to have such a big forehead. And that's literally, it's going to house a bunch of sensors on the top and also a Titan M chip. So that would explain the big forehead. And also, they are introducing gestures, but not gestures that you would touch the screen for, but literally gestures that the phone will be watching your movements. So you can see the different sensors and, you know, where things are going to be at. And yeah, the Pixel 4 is going to get crazy. I mean, being able to look at your device, unlock it, and it actually having a better facial recognition unlocked than what we find on most smartphones today. But then also this, you'll be able to use your hand to swipe things and whatnot, which is kind of like what the LG G8 has, but theirs is a little bit different, but same concept. And so we're seeing the Pixel evolve into something more and basically be a powerhouse and a containment for Google's innovation. But at the same time too, I can't help but feeling sad that in the fact that most OEMs really want to push their agenda before what consumers may want. Because while there are diehard geeky tech consumers who will look at this and just cheer and hurrah for it because of the fact that it's introducing a newfound level of technology. But then there are also those who want to stick to what they're already used to, like biometric reading. And why can't we have an actual smartphone that has this type of secure facial recognition unlock and still keep the biometric reading? Could there be possible issues with trying to cram all these things onto a motherboard inside a device? Maybe. Who knows? We would really have to get the answers from the OEM if they're willing to be forthcoming with us. But then again, everything moves forward in technology. We can fight as much as we want. We can express how much we hate it. But then all things come to, it's going to happen. And it's really going to happen. I mean, it did with Apple. You've seen Apple introduce Face ID in the iPhone X. It's been introduced in the latest versions of the iPhone and will continue to be there. They have not gone back since. And I believe that the Pixel is following the same footnote. But that's where I have a gripe with Google. And yes, while it's introducing new technology, it's going to, people are going to poke at it and say, hey, they're just doing what they always do, follow Apple. And that's really a sad statement to see associated with Google and the Pixel. On top of that, you have various different companies now, actually everything that Google has fought for of saying a single camera on the back can take as great photos as having 4, 5, 6 camera sensors in the back has now been defeated by this. As there are companies like BGR who have posted out articles talking about that Google proves that they were wrong about the single camera and that in fact you need 2 camera sensors to take the best quality shots. I still take issue with that article and I don't agree with BGR on it. But Google kind of shot themselves in the foot with that one. I mean, if you're going to position and campaign for something, campaign it for a lot longer. Don't just easily give up and give in. But anyways, that's my thoughts of the Pixel 4. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video by just typing out your comment. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed it. If you just subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. Hit the bell option to know when I upload a video. And as always, aloha.